In this video, I want to show you how to use different selection tools in ArcGIS. This video is a response to the request of one of our audience who requested that we should demonstrate how to use different selection tools in ArcGIS. So in ArcGIS, I have this parcel of land which is a bunch of polygons. Now let's assume in a situation where I want to select just few of this parcel that I'm interested in. And in ArcGIS, there are different selection tools you can make use of to select the specific feature or part of the feature you are interested in. So to do that, apart from this very selection menu in the menu bar that you can select by attribute, select by location, select by interactive method, and so on, here you can quickly use this icon which is select feature tool. If you click on the drop down, you will see different options like select by rectangle, select by polygon, select by lasso, select by circle, and select by line. Now let me show you how to use each of them. For example, select by rectangle. If you click on it, what it does is that it helps you to draw a rectangle around your area of interest, and as many features that rectangle covers, it will be selected. So I've picked select by rectangle selection tool. So if I click here and draw a rectangle just like this, once I drop it, you can see that it has selected all the features within the rectangle. You can see that it has been selected. So similarly, if you come back to that very select feature, and here you see select by polygon. If you choose select by polygon, this allows you to draw a polygon just by clicking and draw a polygon like this. Once you are at the end of where you want to stop, just double click. You can see that it has selected the features under the polygon I drew. So similarly, if you come back here, you see select by lasso. Select by lasso feature helps you to select feature from selectable layer by drawing a freehand shape around them. For example, if I pick it and I come here and I'll just click and drag just like this, once I leave it, it will select all the feature under the freehand draw I've drawn just like this. Then if I come back here, you can see select by circle. If I click on it and come here, click and hold your cursor and move it to draw a circle of your choice. Once you leave it, it will select all the feature under that circle. That is, you click and move to draw a circle. Once you leave it, it will select all the features under the circle. And finally, we have select by line. What this one does is that once you select it, you click and draw a line just like this. Once you reach where you want to stop, just double click. So all the feature under that line will be selected. So this is how to use selection tool in ArcGIS. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.